Welcome to August 18th video newsletter. We're looking at a Dow. Today obviously was a very negative day if you think for the market. We had some put on RIM actually that I spoke about in not in the newsletter but in a lesson that I did over the weekend. One of the things that basically you can see on this chart, okay, is the Dow broke this channel we were talking about to the downside. Next stop can be this area around 9,000, you know, or right here where we are at the top. Or the next stop would be, you know, this previous high. I'll show you some other chart just so you have a good understanding. If you look at the QQQ, which is the equivalent of the Nasdaq, we can see that the next support level will be around 37.40, basically around that level. And then if we look at the SPY, we're looking at this right now, right on the support of, if you're looking at a 60-minute chart, when this was resistance, it's now become support. There was good volume, not massive volume, but still good volume. Now we need to look at where this market will stabilize. Here's what you should do at this point. We need to look for stock that can give performance and return, or we just stay in cash. I think Cantor, actually I was hoping for this to pull back today because I was really feeling like it was running without us. I think this stock can really be strong in the next few days. What I would do is, if you haven't bought it, I would take the opportunity to accumulate at this level again, 16, 17, 18. It's a great place to buy. I bought at the end of the day on some, just on the pullback. I had some bid pre-placed. That's one of the strategies that I use, right? When I buy in a stock, if I see it, you know, where it keeps going up and then it comes back to the proper level, and it came back to this moving average right here, you know, in this level. I wanted to see if other people were coming to support it, and there was some support, so I just snapped some by the end of the day. So you definitely want to keep an eye on this one, and you want to look at the small one. BHL, you know, kept bounced back, but then there was more selling coming into it, and obviously it stayed in a nice range, so we'll see how it goes from here. AWSL went up, came back. Obviously the spirit of the day was affecting a lot of these stocks. FRNTQ just kept making new lows. NVSR is something interesting. I basically want to show you this on the 60-minute chart. You know, it's staying far. It never went too close, but right here you could see that it wants to perk, but then it came back and closed down at the end of the day. At some point it was looking like it could put a small tail, but it's never done until the day is really completed. OPSY, you know, I spoke about it. It's very tough to grab these things when they gap up, when the big volume come in, and then after that it just comes down. We're waiting for the right entry on that one. NHYT is basing, and that's great. There's a good base. Some volume came into the stock, so we'll look to see, you know, proper market, proper volume coming into it, and then we might give it a try. Nene, but it's not a for sure, you know, on NHYT, like a foregone conclusion. I'm not still sure to buy it right now. I need to see some volume and some activity in it. Nene is definitely showing, you know, like it's going south. What it could do though, it could, this area around 1 could act as a support, but we need to make sure there's not increase in volume going down there. Okay, and then we'll see when we get the proper reversal signal. SPNG, nothing happened on that one other than making a new low, and it doesn't look like it will go up. We need to break this trend line more than ever. BIEL. One very interesting feature here is this stock is staying in a very tight range at the top of its move, so that's good, that's positive with good volume. So BIEL, sorry, you want to keep on your watch list. Zhang never got us into the trade, and definitely will not today. NVSR, you know, I spoke about it a bit earlier. Wanted to show you HURN, which was a quick. I covered it yesterday very quickly. Let me show you on a 60-minute chart what we have here. 5 minute, maybe we'll see better. We had a little increase today, just after a consolidation, just before lunch basically. So it came back and then some selling came in. Now you might see it a few times and then it can really go. So just keep a very good eye on this one. It's got a lot of room to go when it cleared these level around 15 like I spoke yesterday. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed. Let me just go back and finish with candor just on one thing I wanted to show you because I think I forgot it, and when I looked at NVSR reminded me something. We didn't break that low, and that's good. That means that this is still intact as a trade, and you know, it doesn't change anything for us right now. Even if the market's a bit tough, I think it's just an opportunity to buy some more. So that's it for tonight. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day trading tomorrow. Take care.